Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Unbound episode number 6. We are going to see a trick where you can find cube of any number in just seconds. As you can see, these two boys are sitting here. The blue t-shirt boy name is Ravi and the white t-shirt one is Rahul. Now, Rahul is getting bored in the class and that's why he talks to Ravi and he says, I brought Maggie for lunch today. As he is very involved in understanding how to find cubes, and of course he seems super confused. So he says to Rahul that he wish that I as Maggie is so easily cooked and is cooked in 2 minutes, just like that cubes also can be calculated. And teacher overhears the conversation and says, Ravi, just like you wished, you can find a cube of any number even faster than cooking Maggie. It means quicker than 2 minutes? Wow. The teachers also includes that you need to learn the cube till 9 number only. For others number, there's a trick that I'm going to tell you. So here the cube of numbers from 1 to 10. Moving forward, let's take an example. Here we are going to find the cube of 12 number. Now, as you can see, here I have listed cube of all the numbers from 1 to 9 away, so that you can understand everything in very easy way. Now, for the first step, what you need to do, you need to write the cube of the first and the last digit. What does it mean? That here you can say there are 2-digit numbers. So you need to write the cube of first digit. So it is 1. So the cube of 1 is 1. And for the last number, which is 2, you need to write the cube of 2, which is 8. You can see from here. And you need to write it here on the last. Take the first digit, do its square, then multiply with the second digit. So what is the answer you get? It's 2, as 1 square is 1. So as the answer is 2, write it down here. Remember the sequence, start always from the left side. After writing this, repeat the same process 2 number now. As 1 square is done, now what you need to do is, again we are writing 1, but this time we are not going to do square of 1 as it's already done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to square the value of 2, just like here. The sequence remains the same, only in the first part there was the square of 1, now we are doing the square of 2. So what is the square of 2? It's 4. Now 4 multiplied by 1 becomes 4. So write it down in the here. Now for the next step, which is the second step, what you need to do is, you need to double the mid number. Double means you need to multiply these two numbers in the middle section. Always skip these last two numbers, the first and the last number, avoiding 8 and 1, and we are going to double the value of the mid part. So here 2 is given. What is the double of 2? Multiplied by 2. What is the answer? It's 4. So we are going to write 4. So here you can see I have put 2 crosses over here. It means we are not involving the last and the first digit. Double the value of 4, multiply it by 2. What you get? It's 8. You need to add. So put a line over here and add the following. Next step, you can take the carry and add it. This step. So here 1 will become the carry, add it, and here is the answer. I have a question for you. I want you to find the cube of 45. Write your answer in the comment. Repeat the same process. So first, you need to find the cube. So 4 cube is to write the cube of the last number. So here we have this. As it's done, now again what you need to do is, for the next step you need to take 4, do its square, multiply it by 5. It's going to be 80 in here. Now, for the next value, what you need to do is, for 5, the 4 remains as it is. Now we are going to do the square of 5. What will be the answer now? It's going to be 100. You can see there are answers in 3 digits and 2 digits. Now for the next step, just put a cross over here. Double the mid number. For doubling, you are just needing to do this. Multiply by 2. Here, 200. Add the following. Third step and add the carry afterwards, or you can just add it right now. I find it better to add it right now. So first of all, I'm going to write 5. Now as there are 2 digits here, I'm going to use it as a carry. I'm going to write 12. There is 2. Now for the carry, here you can see that there will be 31. Now 31 would become a carry 1 in here. Again perform the addition. So 1 would be here, 7. Right? Now what we are going to do, I'm going to again use the same process. Write the carry in the same step. Now after adding 64 by 27, 91 will remain. So here is the answer we get. Now let's see whether our answer is correct or not. Here you can see our answer was correct. Thank you for watching. Keep watching us. Like, share and subscribe.